Hi everyone, I came with another topic from the differential equations, that is undetermined coefficients. Okay, this undetermined coefficients was very important. This comes in long answer type question. Okay, this format is very easy by understanding the procedural form. Okay, yes. Now I writing the question, that is solve d square plus 4d plus 4y equal to 4x square plus 6e power x. This is my question. I should find this question by using the method of undetermined coefficients. Okay, actually in this question, the given equation, I'm taking it as equation 1. Okay, it is a structural format, should follow the procedure for every sum. Yes. Okay, now I'm writing the solution. Given differential equation, I'm writing that d square plus 4d plus 4. Given differential equation, okay, d square plus 4d plus 4 whole y equal to 4x square plus 6e power x. I am taking this as equation number 1. Now next I am taking this equation 1, it is in the form of non-homogeneous. Okay, this whole equation is in the form of non-homogeneous. It's not homogeneous, so it's not homogeneous. Okay, non-homogeneous linear differential equation. So when it is non-homogeneous linear differential equation, I used to take this formula. What is that? F of dy equal to q of x. For every sum, when it is non-homogeneous LDE, that is linear differential equation, should use this form. I am taking this as equation 2. Then the third thing, I am comparing equation 1 and 2. Okay. Now comparing f of d equal to, in first equation d square plus 4d plus 4, I am comparing it. Okay. Now q of x equal to 4x square plus 6e power x. Okay now? Yes. Now after comparing it, and taking the general solution. The general solution of a non-homogeneous linear differential equation. In this, it is a procedural form I said. Okay, first to take the differential equation and take it as equation 1. Next, you should mention that equation 1 is a non-homogeneous LDE. Third thing is to compare. Now, fourth thing is to find the general solution of a non-homogeneous LDE, that is linear differential equation. We have the formula y is equal to yc plus yp, where yc is a complementary function and yp is a particular integral, right? Yes. Now after this, I am taking this as equation 3. After this, I am going to find the auxiliary equation. Here we have the condition for the auxiliary equation in undetermined coefficients. What does that means? F of m should be 0. So this I am taking the condition. Now I am taking d. I am replacing d and I am using m. M square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Now m square. Splitting 4m. 2m plus 2m plus 4 equal to 0. M of m plus 2 plus 2 m plus 2. Okay. Now next thing, m plus 2 m plus 2 equal to 0. I am taking. Now the roots are, if the m plus 2 is there, it will become minus 2. Minus 2. Okay. Now the condition, the roots are real and equal. If it is minus 2 and 2, the roots are real and distinct, but not distinct. Both are equal. Okay. Now after this, I am finding the complementary function. Okay. For complementary function, yc. Okay, we have one formula for this. What is that? Yc is equal to c1 plus c2x whole e power mx. This is the formula. I'm going to take this formula and I'm replacing the value, that is root value. What is the root value? -2. So both are equal, so that's the reason I'm taking one value, that is -2. Okay, actually this is the formula. Next, c1 plus c2x whole e power -2x. Instead of m I'm using -2. Why? Because the root is -2 kada. So -2x. Okay, now finding the particular integral, the complementary function, were finished. We find it. Now going to the particular integral. I am taking this as equation 4. Now going to particular integral. What do you mean by particular integral? It means here no term of q of x is common with yc and yp. There is no term is common with yc and yp. So I am taking it in a linear combination with q of x and finding all independent derivatives. Here there is no common value of q of x with yc and yp. So I am using the linear combination of q of x and I am going to find the independent derivatives. Okay, what do you mean by independent derivative? The derivative will be independent while differentiating. Okay, yp is equal to ax square plus ab plus c plus d power x. Okay, now I took yp as my own. This is the formula I should take by our own. Okay, now dyp means differentiating yp. Okay, yp dash equal to ax square derivative is 2ax plus bx is b, c is 0 plus de power x. I am taking yp as equation 5, dyp as equation 6. Now d square yp means yp double dash equal to 2ax is 2a plus de power x, b will be 0. I am taking this as equation 7. Okay, I am writing over here 2ax equal to 2a. Taking this as equation 7. Now, after this, should substitute 5, 6, 7 values in equation 1. This what we have found now, that this yp, yp dash, yp double dash, this should substitute in equation 1. Okay, yes. Now here I am writing the question. What is the equation 1? The question we took as equation 1, right? D square plus 4d plus 4 of y equal to 4x square plus 6e power x. This equation I am using. Okay, yes. Now first thing in the question, it is d square. D square means 2a plus d power x. The equation 7 I am taking. Plus I am taking 4 as common and I am replacing the value of d. 2ax plus b plus de power x, that is yp dash of equation 6. Okay, and next thing is I left the 4 to the 4. I'm using the fifth equation, ax square plus bx plus c plus de power x equal to 4x square plus 6e power x. Alright, yes. Solving this whole equation, 2a plus de power x plus 4 2s are 8, ax 4b plus 4de power x plus 4ax square plus 4bx plus 4c plus 4de power x equal to 4x square plus 6e power x. Okay, next. Now I am taking the first x square terms, second x terms, third abc terms, fourth de power x terms. Okay, now x square is 4ax square. I took 4x square term. Next I am taking x term. X term is 8a plus 4b. Here I am writing it as 2. What I am taking second, I am writing it as 2 above. Okay, Next, I am taking ABC terms. 2a plus 4b plus 4c. I am writing over here also third. What I am taking first, what I am taking second, and what I am taking third. Okay. Now next I am writing last thing is 9d power x. Here 4d power x, 4d power x plus 4d power x, 8d power x plus d power x equal to 9d power x. Okay, equal to 4x square plus 6e power x. Now our partial integral part completed. Now we are comparing coefficients of both sides. After finding this, should compare the coefficients, right? Comparing coefficients on both sides. What is that? Here 4a is there. 4a equal to 4x square kada. So 4a equal to 4. So to find a equal to 1. How? 4 by a equal to 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So a equal to 1. Now finding the next thing, that is d. Okay. 9d equal to 6. I mean I'm finding e power x 9d e power x term, right? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the answer of D is 2 by 3. Now next finding A and B terms. 8A plus 4B. We know that A equal to 1. Kada? So 8 of 1 plus 4B equal to 0. 8 ones are 8 plus 4B equal to 0. To find B, the answer will be minus 2. Okay. 4 2s are 8, so minus 2. Next, finding 2a plus 4b plus 4c. Finding ABC values. Okay, 2a plus 4b plus 4c equal to 0. 2 of 1 plus what is b value? Minus 2. 4 of minus 2. We don't know c value. So to find c, we are using this 2a plus 4b to find c. So c equal to 3 by 2. We got this now. Okay. Now the thing is to substitute the corresponding values of a, b, c, d in equation 5. Okay, should substitute the corresponding values. I mean, what is the corresponding values? A, B, C, D. Should substitute in equation number 5. Okay, so now the partial integral part will end. After that, the general solution part will come. Okay, now yp equal to x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2. What is d power x? 2 by 3 e power x. D is 2 by 3. I am writing e power x. Okay. Now substitute equation 4 and 8 in equation 3. Y equal to c1 plus c2x whole e power minus 2x. This is the complementary function part. Okay. Plus I am writing yp. Now what I got the value? X square minus 2x plus 2 by 3 e power x. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the very important sum of undetermined coefficient. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Join Telegram link in description.